To Yardstyle live.
Say, yo, I'm gonna do my own thing. You know? So from this it really start. I'm gonna just start build my own mix, get every song from any young artist, the little bits piece, get some jingles from Chiching Ching. First time Chiching I walk with him carpet and with their limelight. I'm gonna say, yo dog, your body not forward round a copper shot. I'm gonna do some jingles. And him say, when him so? Say forward round a studio man. And him reach same time after limelight. And then after that we go on a copper shot and him do some jingles for me. Chiching Ching, DJ Kenny, Ray, popcorn. Who made the popcorn? Pop. You see me?
Yeah.
Them little jingles there, everybody in the studio start laugh. You see him super hype. Him just there in the studio one day I say, Uptown. I'm gonna say, yo, go around the mic man and say DJ Kenny Uptown. And
it's a very important part of yours. When I'm on here, DJ Kenny Uptown.
Yeah, so it's just...
And the other one where the girl said, me can't say that part there, no, me don't forget a girl.
That's a Japanese.
Yeah, the Japanese.
And she couldn't speak English. So I teach her and say, yo, just say DJ Kenny make you so horny.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was my little spouse too.
Yeah. Yeah, and that is very popular. I see it that. Yeah, tell me say
her name is Atamanami and she become a very famous dancer in Japan.
And what I realized with DJ Kenny, some of the effects them in a dance hall, Kenny make them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Because
like
I
the one,
created one. Even some of the horns, is me create them. Even when Lizard Eye, hard to deal with, did just buy him bike. And I said, press the hand upon the bike and it go, I said, wow. I just take out my phone and just say, press it again and I record it right there on my phone. Then after I put it on my laptop and then I just, make spooky sometimes, fix them up, send it to an MP3 and then put them on my songs.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.